Man, Logan and I, we are so excited to teach you everything that we know about generating leads through Facebook. We've spent over $1 billion on Facebook ads. And in this course with Fiverr, our partner on this e-learning platform, we're going to give you lessons where we're having a conversation explaining how to do this so you don't make the mistakes that everyone else has been doing. We're going to walk through screen shares. We're going to show you step by step how to click through the different parts of Facebook and the different other tools that you need to be able to set up these campaigns. We're going to give you documents that we use ourselves in our business, how we collect our goals, content, and targeting, which is our strategy assessment, how we go through our access checklist, because you have to get access to their page and to their ad account, to their analytics, all these other components, how we qualify our packages that we offer, so you understand how much to charge for different kinds of services, what we do, what we don't do. We're going to cover the mistakes that we've made so that you don't make the most boneheaded, silly mistakes people do when they're selling lead gen services. We're going to teach you not only how to execute this and run your business, we're going to show you how to generate more traffic and more customers. You can generate leads for your lead gen business. We're going to help you grow your business by getting more customers and be able to execute on behalf of those customers. We are so thrilled to be able to do this with Fiverr and show you everything that we know.
Yeah, guys, by the end of this course, you're going to be able to know how much a lead is worth to your clients. You're going to be able to run leads on Facebook and through a chatbot using messenger marketing. We're going to teach you some optimization tricks that will teach you how to cut down your cost per lead by up to 60%, so you can drive leads in both quantity and quality. Dennis and I were super excited. We've done a few courses with Fiverr, and we're happy to get started with this one.
We'll see you on the inside.
If you want to buy any service, please follow my video description. Thank you for watching my video.